Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we have another Indian fountain pen. This pen is from a company called Airmail, which is a Mumbai based company. They make these eyedropper pens, right? So I got this pen in a clear version, demonstrator one, and you can get these pens in other ebonite materials also, like green, brown, etc. This is a big pen. This is a, they call it as 71J. J means jumbo. Jumbo. This is a big pen. So if I compare this pen to some other pens, like I have a Lamy here. You can say it's a quite big pen. Then I have a Parker Frontier. Parker Frontier is a small, is a very small pen as compared to it. So even uncapped, you can see it's quite nearly almost the size of Lamy. A tad lengthier than Lamy. Okay, the nib of this pen is made by Airmail itself. They make their own nibs. It says Airmail iridium point fine, tipped fine. They only make, I think, fine nibs. They don't have any other broad or medium nibs. The feed is plastic, and being eyedropper, you just unscrew the barrel and just pour the ink into the barrel and rescrew it. It takes around 2.5 to 3 ml of ink. The capacity is quite good, and the flow of the ink is also very good with this nib and the feed. This pen is quite well balanced pen. It has a heavier back rear, and it feels very good in the hand. It is not a very thin pen. It has this tapered grip section, and it's fatter from the middle here. It can be posted. You can post this pen, but after posting it becomes a huge pen. So it is not recommended, or I won't recommend this pen to be posted. The clip is also very tight, not very much functional, but otherwise this pen is a very good looking pen. So let's do a small writing sample with this, and then you can see. Okay, so (71J). So you can see the flow of the ink is very good. Being eyedropper, so this gives pushes entire immense amount of ink to the nib. Ink today I have Lamy blue. So let's write something. Very nice ink flow, and the nib is not at all scratchy. You feel some kind of feedback, but the nib is very smooth. So the only issue that I feel with this, or not this, with the other eyedropper pens, is that they tend to burp. So once you are writing, continuously writing, they tend to blow or burp up a drop of ink that can ruin your writing. Again, that can ruin your page itself, what you are writing. So you can see here at this point in this particular pen, whenever there is a burp about to happen, the ink starts accumulating on this side of the feed. So what I usually do is, when I see whether the ink is accumulating here or in this particular pen, you can see there is a small ink bubble in the ink here. So when this bubble gets bigger after continuous writing, this bubble moves up to the empty part, and at that point this pen tends to burp. So what I do is, generally I just keep an eye on this portion of this nib and on the bubble. I just invert the pen and tap it, so the ink goes back. That's how I prevent burping from these eyedropper pens. So with eyedropper pens, you have to be continuously cautious. You can't just write with them in a flow without any worry. Otherwise, this is a very good writer. When I got this pen, I continuously wrote around 10 pages directly when I bought this pen. The nib is steel, and it does not have any kind of flex to it. That's also another a con for this pen. The nib is very small. You can see here the nib is directly almost the tip of the nib is touching the feed, almost touching the feed. This is one recommendation for airmail. If they can increase the size of the nib or the tip of the nib to a few millimeters, so that it is away from the feed, the nib is also look good, and it will have some kind of flex also. Currently there is nothing. Otherwise, if you are looking for a jumbo sized pen, big pen at a reasonable amount, at a cheap price, that holds good amount of ink and writes good, this is a go-to pen. And I'm really impressed by this pen. So I usually keep this pen in my EDC, and usually write whenever I have to write lengthy pages. I use this pen. A very good value for money pen, and most recommended. And thanks for watching.